Hello people, hello guys, welcome my channel.
Hello people, hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the filter for the K&N high performance cold air intake for this Jeep Liberty 2012 or the Jeep KK trim. We'll be replacing this filter right here, and in order to do that you got to take a flathead screwdriver and just loosen up the screw right here. And putting back on the replacement, you just have to tighten it. Easy enough, right? So to begin with, let's bring the replacement filter and set it aside. Just take the flathead screwdriver and loosen up the screw right there. Remove the old filter. Take the new filter and put it on the slot where the old filter used to be. And then you tighten up the screw and you're set. So while we're waiting for me to fix that up, just do me a favor and smash that like button. Before anything else, guys, I have to warn you, I'm not a mechanic, and I'm doing this for entertainment purpose only. So I try to replace the filter once a month. So we're taking this one right here and put it back in the box. We'll clean it up and make it ready for the next replacement cycle. So in order to clean the filter, you have to spray it with the cleaning agent. Spray it all around the outer part of the filter. Make sure you get all the fins and be generous with it, so the dirt loosens up. After you've covered the outer part of the filter, you spray it with water. So once you do that, you're going to see all the gunk fall out. Not all of it, but most of it will fall out, and then you'll set it out to dry. Make sure you air dry it. Don't try to dry it under the sun. It'll make the fins brittle, and you'll cut the life expectancy of the filter. Once it's dry, you spray it with a rejuvenating agent. I read in the internet that ATF, or automatic transmission fluid, does the same job as the agent, so I'm using that because I just ran out. Spray it all over. Make sure you mark where you started so that you'll know when to stop. In the Spectre they have two linings, so I'm using one of those linings to mark where I started, and just spray it all around the filter. Again, be generous with it. Make sure all the fins are hit and covered with fluid to fully activate the cleaned filter. Okay? Again, I'm not a mechanic. I'm doing this for entertainment purpose only. And if you're liking what you see so far, just click the like button and share it with your friend. Once it's dry, just put it back in the box and make it ready, or keep it ready for the next replacement cycle. Till next time, thank you very much for watching.